How to make a group on COVERSTAR app. So you can just go to your profile, and in top right, just to the right of your profile image, you will have a test, or not, like you will have just a button to create a group, and then you can only create one group. You can give it a name, you can upload logo, you can just rename it as you want, make it public or private. Then there are some members who are in this group. You can make co-admin, you can remove from group, you can also leave group, invite your friends, and when you invite 5 friends, and you can earn a special badge here. So yep, that's just what you have. So there it is. At the moment, it's only possible to create one group, as I understand. This is a development feature, so that's what it is.